Hello everyone, welcome to Recibee. Today I'm going to show you how to make this rich South Indian dessert called Sakkarai Pongal or Sweet Pongal. This dessert is usually prepared during the harvest festival, and here's my version of this delicious dish. Before we start with the recipe, it would mean a lot to me if you could support my channel by subscribing to it. I would love for you to stick around. Let's look at the ingredients required. Raw rice, 1 heaped cup. Split moong dal, quarter cup. Grated fresh coconut, 2 tablespoons. Cardamom, 1 tablespoon. Ghee, 5 tablespoons. Almond, 5 to 6 of them. Cashews, about 15. Raisins, 4 to 5. Jaggery, 1 cup. Milk, about 80 ml. Condensed milk, 1 tablespoon. This is optional. Let's first cook moong dal and rice. In a pressure cooker, add about 3 teaspoons of clarified butter. Keep the stove in low flame. Add in split moong dal. Saute till it turns fragrant. Then add in rice and mix well. Finally, to cook this mixture, add 3.5 cups of water. Turn the stove to medium flame. I have added extra water to get the right texture. This dessert is usually smooth but has a beautiful character to it. I will show you how to achieve that in a bit. Now cook this for 3 whistles. While this is getting done, let's prepare jaggery solution. In a pot, take about quarter cup of water, crush jaggery and add it slowly into the pan. Stir them well until jaggery completely dissolves into a watery solution. Keep this aside. My rice and dal mixture is cooked for 3 whistles and the pressure is completely released. To get the right texture, gently mash the mixture while it is hot. Be careful not to overdo it. Now strain the jaggery solution into the rice and dal mixture. Mix everything well and put the stove on. Keep the stove in low flame. Now add in ground cardamom and mix. Now add in about 80 ml of milk. Mix well and let it cook for a minute or 2 until the mixture looks like that. Now the stove can be turned off. Finally, to temper this, in a small tempering pan, take the rest of the clarified butter or ghee and add in cashews, cut almonds and raisins. Wait until the raisins puff up and take it off the heat. Pour this into pongal. Give it all a good mix. As a final touch, pour in a tablespoon of condensed milk. This is optional but it gives a lovely taste. And then sprinkle fresh grated coconut. And there you go, our rich and delicious sweet pongal is ready. Try this and enjoy. I would love to hear your comments. I hope you liked this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Recibee. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.